Oh, Miss Wat, tell me if it's okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. The time has come that the English summer class has ended, and being your English teacher from the Philippines, I'm so grateful to be your teacher, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. Vin and Miss Hua, for this opportunity. I cannot forget this opportunity working with you, and I'm looking forward to work with you again. And now, I will call one by one to receive your certificates because I'm very sure you deserve for this. The first student that I will call is Ruby. Come here, Ruby. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Ruby for successfully completing the English summer class from June 2, 2025 to July 31, 2025, given at Era Town this 31st day of July. Thank you so much, Ruby, and congratulations. Another award for Ruby is Best in Vocabulary Award, Best in Spelling, and Best in Arts. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Receive your pen. Okay, you stay there, you stay, because we will call the next. Okay.